Before waterproofing any type of natural stone, we recommend cleaning first with a professional stone-specific product. Using regular store-bought products can leave marks and stains. Today we'll clean this tile using a product from the LTP range called Grimex. We apply Grimex directly on the stone, then clean with a sponge in circular motions. Let it dry for about 20 minutes. The stone is now ready for waterproofing. For this we'll use Blackstone, a deep penetrating sealant specifically designed for outdoor paving and cladding surfaces. It's best applied to dark colored stones with a matte, flamed, brushed or other unpolished finish to ensure proper absorption. Light-colored stones will darken noticeably after application. Before applying Blackstone, make sure the tile is thoroughly clean and completely dry to guarantee optimal results. Waterproof the tile by applying a layer of Blackstone carefully with a cloth or sponge. Let the solution work for a while, then apply a second coat after an hour. The surface will darken noticeably. Apply up to 3 coats maximum. After the last coat, let the surface dry thoroughly for 24 hours. Now we'll compare a surface sealed with Blackstone to one left completely untreated. You can clearly see the untreated surface soaks up water very quickly, almost immediately, while the treated one repels it completely and effectively.